Okay, so I just saw a clip. It just popped up. It's a clip about fidgets and people's anxiety boxes. I had one of my own, but um, I had to do it a whole different way. And a part of um, therapy, there's different types of therapies that actually have that, but they use different words. One is a distraction box. Another is anxiety box. Um, my book that I now own, um, it uses self-soothe kit. Um, but there's all kinds of ones. There's also self-care. There's fidget boxes, um, which are basically they have a certain number of fidgets in it. And there's a company I recently looked into that you make a fidget box, but it's custom to your needs. So, like, if you need this in your fidget box, you can put it there. And I'm like, why did I do that before? I'm doing it the hard way a little bit. But there's so many people that spend way too much money on fidgets. They overload themselves now. That type of fidgets just varies on that. Mm, I'm not really trying to overload myself. Unfortunately, growing up, I didn't have much of a choice but to overload myself, which my parents didn't understand, that they were constantly always putting me on overload. So, sensory overload, um, especially. So, one toy that was used to help me calm down was not easy for me to calm down with, especially a fidget. But now they got different kinds of fidgets. This might be considered a fidget. It's a sticker, um, but it's a calm down sticker where you use numbers. I like using counting in Korean when I'm counting down.